Hey bitch, but see, other than me, it's your boyfriend here, back with another video. Today I just want to are you subscribed, and if you're not subscribed,
Get your life.
and the only way you can get your life is hitting the notification button and subscribe button down below so you can get the videos and uploads when I post on this on per. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be doing something different, kinda. Yeah, because I don't be doing that. I'll be doing a slicked puff, right? Real slick, real puff. Okay, so I'm gonna get into the essentials of what we need for the slick puff. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is stretch our hair. I want my wash and go. This is like a 3 or 4 day old wash and go. I want it stretched. I don't want my ends disturbed. I just want everything really stretched because I want my puff nice and big. You feel what I'm saying? So we're gonna go do that.
What's the cause? Where you go? When you ghost? We were talking yesterday and not no more. Where you go? You and ghost. Now it's R.I.P. someone I used to know. Now you're a ghost. Feeling like I did something wrong. Tempted to blow up your phone. You're acting like I didn't know you at all. Couldn't get you to stop, you was begging and pleading. Now you got what you needed. Boy, you tried to hurt my feelings. Now you got a villain. Better hope I don't see you again, cause you just lost what we ever had. No homie, no lover, no friend. I'm a Pisces, I'll never forget. And I'll never pretend, and I'll never go back. So good luck with that, Diggy.
I'm gonna go on with my pick. Just pick just a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna go for like a low puff. Eco. So, to wet the roots of my hair. Really get at the roots, because the roots need to be flat because you're laying more hair over the roots. I'm going to take my bristle brush. I'm gonna go in with my other brush. And take my clip. And I'm just gonna do that all over my head.
Through the remnants of my past. Where you go? When you ghost. We were talking yesterday and now no more. Where you go, baby? You and ghost. Oh. With no warning or no sign, what was the cause? Oh. Where you go? When you ghost. We were talking yesterday, baby. Where you go? Tell me. You and ghost. Oh. Now it's R.I.P. someone I used to know. Now you're a
see you left me on red. Now all
I see is red. Your math is just not adding up. It doesn't equal to what you said. So now we got a problem, and you left me here to solve it. I regret that I even tried. Now it's me, myself, and I changed your name in my phone to the one I used to know. Maybe it should be Houdini, cause it's all an illusion to me. Maybe it got too real. Put a light up to your fears. Baby, how could you leave me here? Where did you go?
When you go, we were talking yesterday and I'm no more.
Yeah.
Where you go?
Where'd you go?
You and ghosts.
You and ghosts.
With no warning or no sign, what was the cause?
You should've warned me,
Where
baby.
you go? When you go?
When you go?
We were talking yesterday and I know
We're talking yesterday.
Where you go?
Baby.
You and ghost. Now it's R.I.P. someone I used to know. Now you're a ghost. What's the cause? Where you go? When you ghost? We were talking yesterday and I know more. Where you go? You and ghost. Now it's R.I.P. someone I used to know. Now you're a ghost. Feeling like I did something wrong. Tempted to blow up your phone. You're acting like I didn't know you at all. Couldn't get you to stop, you was begging and pleading. Now you got what you needed. Boy, you tried to hurt my feelings. Now you got a villain. Better hope I don't see you again, cause you just lost what we ever had. No homie, no lover, no friend. I'm a Pisces, I'll never forget. And I'll never pretend, and I'll never go back. So good luck with that. Digging through the remnants of my past. Where you go?
Okay, so as you can see, I went in section by section by section by section. Alright, so I've at least had this on for a good 15 minutes. I definitely put the scarf on. So, ooh, okay. So this is what it's giving right now. It's real on my head. So I'm going in with the Gots to Be Blue Blast and Freeze spray. Okay. And if you were wondering why I have two scarves on, I'm about to explain. So put this one back on. Okay. With the back, it's giving Humpty Dumpty sometimes. So we don't want it to look like a mountain. So we'll just put the scarf up and tie the back down too, so the back can be flat. But back to this brush. This brush like really like gets in and like it like scratches your scalp. It like pulls. It's kind of like a dimming brush, low key, and it kind of like detangles and pulls all the knots and stuff that you have. So it's flat, so you don't have to worry about it, because this brush it's not gonna get in the nitty gritty. It's not gonna do that. It's only gonna do but so much. This brush, it gets in there. I could put this and brush straight through, and I feel everything like I ain't got no hair on my head. That's why I like this brush. You got to get you this brush. It's at the beauty supply store for $1. Get the brush. I ain't gonna tell you again. Get the brush. Not this brush, but this brush. Go get it. Usually I would let this sit on until I'm at whatever place I'm gonna go to. I'll take the scarf off right before I get in there, and it'll be real flat, real solid. But for the purposes of this video, I have to leave in like about an hour, so I'll get back to you guys in like about 30 minutes. Okay?
When you ghost, we were talking yesterday and I know more. Where you go, baby? You and ghost. Oh, with no warning or no sign.
what was the cause? Where you go when you ghost? We were talking yesterday, baby. Where you go? Tell me. You went ghost. Now it's R.I.P. someone I used to know. Now you're a
See, you left me on red. Now all I see is red. Your math is just not adding up. It doesn't equal to what you said. So now we got a problem.